All right, guys, we got a 2015 Chrysler 300 V6. We did a little bit something different than the usual, just muffler deletes and stuff. We put J-pipes in too. Factory converter there, factory X there. Then we put J-pipes in the middle with mid-muffler delete, as you guys can see there and there. And we make them in-house. Check that out. It's a really cool design. Look at that. Instead of buying them and paying a bunch of money to get J-pipes, we can make them for you guys. There you go. Then we did a rear delete also there and there, and put in some 5-inch rolled black tips to complete the look. Because why not? Makes it look really beautiful, as you guys can see. There's the rears that were on it, and there's the mids that were on it. We took them all off and replaced it and cleaned it up for him. And if you guys want to follow his build, there's his Instagram or YouTube, I'm not sure. One of those. I think it's Instagram right there. So make sure you guys follow him. We appreciate him bringing it in. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Your sound decibels? 119, bro. Again? Wow. Yes, sir. Go to back it up. Wow, that sounds so good. It's like it's in the chest, you know? That's weird. Wow. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300S V6, mid resonator, mid muffler, delete, resonator delete, J-pipes, and 5-inch tips.